I'm Rosie and this is Anna, and we run Independent Oxford, which supports and promotes independent businesses in and around Oxford. So we do that through social media, our email campaigns, and we also have networking events.
It's really lovely to work as a two, doing it together and having someone to bounce ideas off.
We just got to a point where the business has grown significantly in the last year, and we wanted to reach a broader audience, and OxLEP workshops have enabled us to gain new skills, network with other small businesses in Oxford.
The workshops have enabled us to kind of step back and assess where we are, where we're going, look at a 5-year plan and really get to grips with what we want to achieve in the long term from it.
So we've had some one-to-one support with OxLEP where we talked about funding and other ways of helping us grow our business. You should always be looking for ways to advance your knowledge and your skill base, and OxLEP enables us to do that.
The best thing about running a business is being able to see the growth of it, I think.
And that you're absolutely passionate about what you do, and every day you're doing something that you absolutely love.